What's up everyone, this is Marcus at TradeSmith and I'm going to show you a new program that I joined called Warrior Trading Pro, and that is a program that I am in, been doing for 6 weeks, and I'm going to show you exactly what I plan to do with this small account challenge. Okay, $95 up today. I do have to go get some work done, so I'm not going to be able to stay in trade long, but I did notice that at the beginning of the market, looking at the gappers, a lot of them are still fading. Also, I'm just seeing that there's mixed feelings in the market today. Some stocks definitely start fading early. So even though you have major gappers, a lot of good volume, really good floats, but seem like everything takes a dip before it pops up. So I was looking at IGC as it began to fade, and I just kind of waited and looked on the high day Momo, and I think right when it got to this point is where I got in, and this is a high of day technically, because you have pre-market, and it was a pre-market high trade where no, it wasn't a pre-market high. I think the pre-market high was back up here at a little bit at $4 range. So but it is a move toward the pre-market high. So it broke the high day. I think that's when I noticed it on my scanners. I think I traded this first pullback and just kind of rode it as much as I could. Somewhere in here on this one, I didn't take nothing but 20 cents. Really wish I could have got more out of it, but I want to just play it safe. If I can just get my 10 cents out of the market, I'm happy. 500 shares was what I traded with, and turns out I got about 20 cents, almost 20 cents, but I just sold on the axe. I will show a video on how I use my hotkeys. I also use a stream deck sometime for my hotkeys, but I enter in on the order window. So I use the order window to put in my order, and I hit the buy button at certain levels, which was, I think it was that first high a day. And when it did the first pullback, I was going to wait for a bull flag pattern to set up, but it did set up pretty well. I think when it was somewhere around in here on the first 5-minute candle to make a new high, I think it was here actually. So when it did actually break this 5-minute and to break the high of day, I went ahead and took that trade and got in and got out. So I will be again showing videos on the hotkeys that I've been using, but I used the order window here to actually hit the buy button, enter in, and then I used my stream deck to basically just sell on the axe, and that's very important because when you're using those hotkeys, you can set certain things up to help you basically, let me show you here. So I'm gonna pull it up here, so you can set certain things up to actually set sell on the axe. So you can see that Control Z is the sell on the axe. Oh no, this is the sell on the bid. I think I sold 100%. Where's the full? So I sold full axe. So Control K is what I use for that. So we can talk a little bit more about this in the future. The reason why platforms like this are very good to trade as a day trader is because you have that direct routing that you can use, and you can use the hotkeys, and that helps you, not hot buttons, which are right here, which are cool, but you can set up hotkeys to actually get in and get out of a trade. So I'll definitely talk about that, but definitely gonna not wear out my welcome today. As we say in the Warrior Trading chat room a lot is, if you can get 10 cents out of a market a day, that's doing good, especially after I've had a downturn in some of my smaller account trading. But again, you just sit there and try to survive as much as you can until the point where you're getting very consistent. And if I can make $100 a day, I'm happy. The target is normally 150, and I normally do 4 trades, but again, the market is so choppy in some areas. I don't want to start trading and then be in a hole, and then I'm thinking about work, and then find myself trying to get some more trades in before work. So I'm just gonna focus on these base hits as a busy person, busy professional. Just come in, make some money in the morning, get out, and then trade the same patterns. Don't get too stuck on the market and what's going on every day. But I do want to make sure that I report out that I did have a green day, and look to have some more. So if you really are a small account challenge or a small account challenger out there, and you're really looking to try to make some extra money, try to build up a small account. You may have a extra $500 in savings or extra $1,000. Definitely I recommend, and if you are willing to expose that to some risk, definitely throw that money into an account that you can start trading. There are ways that you can do that, but throw it in an account and focus on some account building skills, and try to make $20 a day, $30 a day, until you really get to the point where you can really control your emotions in the market, and you can really control some of your strategies, and from there you can just start bringing on an additional stream of income. And of course, there's always safer methods such as swing trades, and also even long-term trades, ETFs. Always recommend doing any type of residual or passive income strategies where you're trying to definitely make your money work for you. So I definitely will be signing off today. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you're really interested in this channel. I will be talking more about some of the softwares and technology, but starting it off with this small account challenge and really just showing what you can do as a day trader. This is a new channel. For more tips and tricks on trading technology, hit the like button and go to TradeSmith.io.